Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw this staircase lah. For this case, as you can see, we have different platform and staircase, right? Never mind, we use all with free modeling. Just use free modeling to draw it. Okay, will be easier lah. So this one I put here. Okay, then go inside. Okay, I hide this one. This one. Two. Okay. So we'll draw the. I hide my wall also blocking me. Close. Okay. So we'll draw the platform and the staircase. Okay, staircase until here only. Okay. So simple. We just go for free modeling. They can draw anything you cannot draw. Okay. Or anything you no idea. You just use this function. Okay. So we just go for this one called line, or we simply draw the line first. Draw the line first. Okay, red color correct. Then come here a bit. Then come to here a bit. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna draw this pattern or the curve. The first one we're gonna draw a curve here. Okay. So simple. Okay, this one arch. Okay, we just draw the arch from. Okay, zoom in a bit, and maybe this one here. Okay, select and go to here. Okay, so draw arch complete. Okay, then we're gonna duplicate it, or we're gonna copy this one. I think the easier way we're gonna just draw the step, So I will just draw the step. Don't want use copy lah, because copy are a bit difficult. So I'll just use this one, draw the step. Okay, and use the length to measure. Add auxiliary. So maybe here one auxiliary from here. Sorry, from here to here. Okay, then I select this one, the auxiliary here, this one, move to here, then I'll add auxiliary also, this one, the step, I'll give it 200, 200. So let's see how many I have. Let me see the picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna draw another 3, 200 enter, and here 200 enter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and here also we do the same thing opposite. Here we're gonna draw 1. Okay, then I'm gonna, okay, so that right click. Select the line, move to here, got 1, then I add another line. Okay, add another line, 200. Okay, add another line, 200. Then add another line, 200. Then very simple, we just use arch or complete. Wait a moment, I draw the line here first, because here without line. Okay, so I'll just draw one line from here to here. Okay, right click. So now I'll add the line from arch, this one to here, then we move it out, something like this. Okay, too much, I think this one too much. Okay, this one to here. Okay, I'll move it something like this. Okay, you see yourself lah. Okay, another one here to here. Okay, yeah, I think this one is perfect. Okay, another one here to here. Okay, so after you're done, right, just clear auxiliary and here we delete this one. This one they are together one. Okay, so delete this one. This one I'll make it like 800, right? So I'll just stretch it to 800. Okay, this one if don't want, just delete. Okay, let me delete this one first. This one only delete lah, you cannot see also. Select it. Okay, select it, select the line, escape, right click, select the line, delete, select the line, delete, select the line, delete. Okay, now we continue. This one exclude. Okay, stir it until 600 off, because 800 minus 1. Another one 400. Okay, another one 200. Okay, so eventually it will become something like this. This one if don't like this line, delete. Better don't delete lah. You see, after delete, this one keep it line. Okay. So it'll be something like this, or something like this. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.